There's a quiet strength in people who don't speak much. You might think silence is emptiness, but often it holds a universe of thought. It's in the quiet that the mind whispers its truths, where unspoken feelings gather weight. And yet, the world often mistakes quiet for indifference, shyness, or even weakness. But here's the truth. Silence is a mirror, reflecting the depth of your inner life. Psychologists call this a heightened internal awareness, a mind constantly observing itself and the world. For quiet people, thoughts often speak louder than words. Mirror neurons are at work here. They absorb, process, and reflect emotion silently. It's why they notice the little things, the slight shift in tone, the fleeting smile, the hidden worry. And it's not just observation, it's feeling deeply. They process emotions quietly, sometimes carrying the unspoken weight of others. Overthinking isn't a flaw here. It's a survival mechanism, a way to make sense of chaos. And yet, there's often a loneliness that comes with this silence. People talk over them, interrupt them, or assume they are distant. But inside, a quiet revolution is happening. Psychologists call it introspection, the brain integrating thoughts, emotions, and experiences into coherent meaning. This internal processing allows for self-understanding that loudness can rarely achieve. Quiet people often notice their own patterns, their own hidden fears, without anyone prompting them. They experience emotional suppression not because they lack feeling, but because they filter it carefully. It's not weakness, it's conscious self-regulation. Many don't speak to avoid misunderstanding, or because they prefer observation over reaction. And yet, silence is not emptiness. It's the space where empathy grows. Mirror neurons allow them to feel what others feel, often more vividly than those who talk more. The quiet mind rehearses responses, explores perspectives, and reflects on the weight of words before speaking. They endure social discomfort to protect their inner clarity. And in that endurance, they cultivate a subtle inner resilience. Emotional intelligence thrives in quiet hearts. They often see hidden pain, unnoticed joy, and subtle human truth. Quietness is not avoidance. It is careful navigation of a noisy world. Psychologists call it reflective processing, the brain consolidating experiences into insight. It's why quiet people often surprise others with insight when they finally speak. They internalize, absorb, and then express with precision. And in their silence, they nurture creativity, perspective, and patience. They listen when others cannot, because their mind is always present. Quiet minds often notice life's subtle beauty, a tone, a gesture, a fleeting smile. And it's this attention that builds empathy and emotional depth. Silence is not loneliness. It is the space where the self becomes whole. So next time you meet someone quiet, know they are observing, feeling, and understanding in ways you cannot always see. Their mind is alive, rich, and often wiser than the loudest voices in the room. And in that silence, there is a strength that speaks louder than any word ever could.